I'm going to show you an everyday hairstyle to do at home. So, fresh out of the shower, towel dry your hair. I would then apply my Root 406, and I would then just basically the root area, spritz it through. Then blow dry your roots in an upwards motion, so then it gives it that volume that you want. Kind of just grab it and get your hair dry and go in an upwards motion around there. And directional blow dry side to side. Now that I've got it about 50% dry, put some One United treatment texture spray through your mid-lengths and ends, and then just blast it all through till it's bone dry. And if you're feeling comfortable with it, just grab any old round brush you have at home, doesn't matter what brand. Just use your brush going side to side, just to smooth around the front with your hairdryer. I'm going to show you how to do a flat iron wave curl today, because not everyone has a tong. So, this man parts her hair off to the side. Actually, I'm going to style it in the middle today, section this out in a diagonal motion. So I'll do this side, and then I'll get Mads to do the other side. Really get that tension going. With your flat iron, come in from behind, and then smooth out the root area, kind of direction it back off your face, and then I'm going to let go, and then I'm going to go in exactly where I left off in this area here. Make sure the iron is facing down, not to the side, only because I want it to give more of a natural wave. Let go. You can see this little section here. Relax that one out. So see how it's a bit straighter? That's going to give that overall look of a textured wave rather than a big bouncy sort of wave. Just imagine you're sectioning as 2-inch pieces around the head. So sit yourself in front of the mirror, grab your little section, and then just really think, I want this section to be away from your face, not forward. Come in this way, move that out, and then go away from your face, let go, and then coming in this way. Remember, away from the face, let go, little in, come in again, and just relax the bottom. Remember as well, you can always tap out your section if you find it's like too wavy for you around your face. Twist, twist the hair around, perfect, let go. See, that little section, get that so you can see the skin. Yeah, and then away. Pull down, let go. Yeah, so it will feel foreign at the start, but practice makes it easier. Grab your hair and make sure it's got that tension. Yeah, and twist, 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 let go. Don't let him go, don't just ping it out. Slowly release it. Perfect. And then go in here. Okay, cool. So that's your first go, so it's only going to get easier. Yeah, perfect. Twist, twist the iron. Yes. Yay. Okay, that's released. Perfect. So you can see there, place the iron exactly where you left off. Twist, twist, twist. Yeah, let go. See that little bit here? It's just a little bit too curly, so I just want to kind of relax that little bit through there. So just angle your head, however it's easiest to see in front of the mirror. That one, yeah, perfect, perfect. And twist, twist, twist. Yes, yes, yes. Let go. Yay! Go in there and twist again. Yeah, twist, 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 twist. Up higher. Yeah, perfect. Twist, twist, twist. Let go. And see that? Yeah. Yeah, that. Perfect. Beautiful. And then see this little bit here. Don't be discouraged if you can't find the curl. Just jiggle it around a little bit and find where you left off. Wriggle it around. Gorgeous. You kind of just want to grab a section, bring it forward. You want it to start here. Yeah, and go back. Twist, twist, twist. Easy, let go. There it is. Twist, twist, twist. Let go. And then just straighten that up. But with the motion of the head, yes, so you're turning the iron in the direction of the curl. That's the same. Perfect. Twist, twist, twist. Yeah. Relax it down, straighten that bit out. So that starts their hair off to the side, but my little trick is to style it in the middle, so then when you dress it out and you flip it off to the side, you get that height through here. Once you've let that all cool down, then grab your favourite product. I personally like a dry shampoo, so it kind of gives it that texture that you're after. Spray that all over. So then I would grab a wide tooth comb, just dress out one by one. Now we've dressed it all out, go in and part it where you would usually part it, and then you can see that beautiful height. So that's my little trick, my little part for you. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment with what you'd like to see next.